If you've been wanting to have a custom tune on your stock turbo N54, now is the time to take advantage of a tuning special that JSRTuning is doing right this moment. Now, John has been running JSRTuning for quite some time now. He is a well-respected tuner in this industry. He is not new to the game whatsoever. So as far as, recommendations that I put on this channel are only to benefit you, just because they are legit and these folks are respected by other enthusiasts within the game. So, John is working on my custom back-end flash right at the moment, so that way I can get that flashed on to do that. But he's running a special right now until end of tonight, 11:59 p.m. Flash only is $200. Normal cost of that is $250 to $300, so you get some savings there. Back end flash is $100. That's usually $150. So now's a great time to take advantage of that tuning special. So he'll be able to take care of you and make sure your car is running strong, reliable, all that great stuff from John at JSRTuning. I'll put his contact information in the description box below, but it's jsrtuning@gmail.com. Just mention to him that, hey, you saw this special on YouTube. You want to take advantage of the N54 special right at the moment. Well, as I'm moving into my house here next Thursday, my new house, looking forward to that. We'll be loading on that new tune. There are a lot better roads as far as where I'm going to be moving to. So I'm going to be moving like almost an hour away from where I am currently today. So many great back roads, so that way I can do some awesome polls. So I'm waiting to do that at that point. That's why I've been holding off on that video, just because where I am right now, there's only like one good road and it's just not the greatest to begin with. So I'm holding it for a better scenery and better videos for that aspect right there. So looking forward to that. Like I said, working out the details right now with John. I have a base map on, ready to go. Well, guys, I wanted to just share this tuning special here tonight, so that way you can get it out and contact him. Please be sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment below. Everything's in the description box below, so that way you guys can have at it. Happy tuning. Take care.